Mama, mama, babe, don't claim, don't come again, oh. You know my name, be a
Today I'm getting married to a lovely lady, queen of my heart. All my life I've always wanted a prayerful lady, and I met her. Since then it's been wonderful.
Don't let this love, don't let this love.
She smiles a lot, she laughs a lot. You know, she always likes to cheer me up.
Let your love be magical.
And I wish for the beautiful bride and groom many babies, many years of love, many years of comforting each other.
If you be my baby girl, I will be your baby boy.
I will miss her daily. She's a lovely girl, and we best friends.
I'm so excited that today we are starting our new lives together as a married couple. I am just so excited that I have been able to find the love of my life, and today we are able to start a new chapter together.
No choice. If you go to pocket, I need you.